Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to be taking a look at a new brand of cereal called Wonderworks. Interestingly enough, it says that it's distributed by General Mills. So with the backing of a big company like that, I would imagine this will probably last for a while. But this is the peanut butter flavor. They've got a couple other flavors. This one's really good. I have eaten this before, and it's probably just behind Catalina Crunch. Catalina Crunch is still, I think, higher quality, better ingredients, etc. But if you're looking for something and you only have a Walmart, you can find this at Walmart. Some people have asked me like how I eat this cereal. I use heavy cream mixed with water. That's kind of the way I do it. It's kind of half and half, but why use half and half when you have heavy cream on hand? So I just pour like, I don't know, a couple tablespoons worth in the bottom of the bowl, and then I just go to the sink and then I get the bowl about half full of milk, and then I stir it up. Now I will note that it works better to do it like this than it does to try to like pour the cream and the water on, because it doesn't mix when you already have the cereal in there. So anyway, this is as far as the type of cereal, you'll notice it's the standard extruded balls of milk protein. So if you can't do dairy, this is not for you. But then again, if you can't do dairy, you're also not going to be dumping a bunch of heavy cream in there. So anyway, that's how I make my cereal. I prefer my cereal nice and soggy. But you know, as far as crunch goes, it actually holds up really well. So for somebody like me that prefers it a little bit on the soggy side, I have to wait a really long time if I want it to break down. I will say that it does break down better with water than with just cream. But in general, this is a good alternative for kind of that what is it, the Captain Crunch kind of peanut butter crunch or whatever. Definitely got some of that same vibe going on. It's also not hyper sweet. They're like a little bit of that not sugar or sweetness to it, but it's not bad because it's not just over the top. If you've been on, you know, low carb diets and have been doing artificial or naturally sugar-free sweeteners, you'll be more used to the flavor. I believe so the first sweetener is allulose, which is one of the newer ones, and it's more natural. So the ingredients are milk protein concentrate, allulose, peanut flour, erythritol, peanut butter out of just peanuts and salt, whey protein isolate, inulin, palm kernel oil, palm oil, canola oil, rice starch, soy lecithin, natural flavor, stevia extract, and vitamin E. So there's a little bit of soy, a little bit of rice, and a little bit of canola, which I know some people don't like it from that perspective. So if you're shying away from that, then this is not for you. But total carbs, as it says here, it's 3 grams net, and that's with 3 grams of fiber per serving. So it's not bad. 160 calories per serving of the cereal. Obviously, when you put heavy cream into it, it's going to be a little bit more. But it's not actually that high in calories. Now, I will also say that if I eat a bowl of this at lunchtime, which I'm doing right now, generally I'm not jonesing for a snack or whatever in the afternoon. This actually tides me over pretty well, better than a lot of other things. So, anyway, long story short, I endorse it. It's good. Obviously, they don't pay me. Walmart's not paying me. General Mills not paying me. But no, it's good stuff. But definitely something if you can't find Catalina Crunch, which of course is the one that I would absolutely recommend, number one, this is a great option for you. So with that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you all later. Have a great day.